Well, we're in the process of replacing navigation lights, which maybe people don't even realize that we deal with navigation lights. But just like we deal with signals and lighting and other traffic control for people as they're driving or walking or biking along our roadways, we have navigation lights on bridges over certain bodies of water so that when people are out boating, they know where they're supposed to go and what they're not supposed to hit. Unlike signals and other traffic control we have for vehicles, when it comes to navigation lights on waterways, we just have two colors, red and green. In red, go where the piers are, more or less where we don't want you to go. You'll obviously hit something. In green being kind of the middle of the span where the opening is. So when you're in a boat, it's hard to believe, but if there's not much of a moon out at night, you can drive up on a bridge and not even realize it's there.
We had some faulty wiring on the bridge, and so we're taking the opportunity for the lane drop to actually upgrade the equipment that's on the bridge. Since we had to do it, we figured we would upgrade the equipment as well.
We're going to replace the fixtures also with L.E.D fixtures, certainly longer lasting, more energy efficient. So hopefully we don't have to mess with them again for 10 years or more.
Just like anything else, they wear out, and these are hanging off a bridge, so they're out in the elements year round. So eventually things need to be changed.
We're able to utilize this brand new piece of equipment we just received, Anderson Underbridge HPT 43 truck mounted hydro platform. It's a scaffolding we can deploy over either side of the bridge, access underneath. This unit will go down over the side, it'll swing down underneath. We can rotate 180 degrees underneath the bridge. We're also using a trailer mounted unit. We have control functions here at the back of the truck remotely and controls down on the platform itself. So once it's deployed, the workers are down there, they can move it around, up, down, swing around, get it whatever position they need to get into. This is a great piece of equipment. It's just working perfect. This is the first job we've got to use it on, and it is working perfect for us.
That's the most interesting part about it, because we don't do this every day. And I don't think any other districts do. So when we have to work on a bridge like this, to have it contracted, I wouldn't have even an idea what that would cost. Unfortunately, MoDOT has the equipment, so it takes a lot of other divisions where it is for lane control or traffic control, the equipment deployment for getting out over the bridge, plus our technicians to get out there to do the work. So as well as letting the public know when it's on a bridge like this. So there's a lot of dynamics to it. So this was months ago we actually picked this date.
Projects like this don't happen very often. We wanted to get this done before the summer boating season really picked up. Thought our guys were a little bit crazy whenever they were talking about doing this in February. Little did we know it was going to be almost 70 degrees. So they definitely calendar worked well for us, and we're able to get this done. It certainly could be a lot colder, a lot windier, and just really hard on them as they're trying to get this work done. But we're loving this beautiful weather here in February.
No, just I'm glad to actually have it put together, and I'm glad Mother Nature was on our side for once. So.